Is it time to buy or sell Take-Two Interactive Software stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Take-Two Interactive Software. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Take-Two Interactive Software as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.98. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 7.37% since we first recommended purchasing Take-Two Interactive Software 13 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.57% per day, since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and gentle upward trend in the short term, suggesting that further increases within this trend are likely. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 6.36% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 5.69% to positive 11.49%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of nearly 49.96%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 29.41% and 57.48% over the next year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price estimated to be between $291.74 and $355.04. Our latest daily update for Take-Two Interactive Software includes the headline, Take-Two Interactive Software stock price down 0.393% on Thursday. The Take-Two Interactive Software stock price fell by negative 0.393% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. The price dropped from $226.34 to $225.45. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.60%, reaching a day low of $224.39 and a day high of $227.98. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.24% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 1 million shares, with a total of 2 million shares exchanged for approximately $372.74 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $238, and the lowest price was $135.24. Currently, the price is 5.27%, or $12.55 below the 52-week high of $238, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Take-Two Interactive Software Incorporated, commonly referred to as TTWO, is currently undergoing significant scrutiny as 2 law firms, Levi & Korsinski and Pomerantz LLP, initiate investigations into potential violations of federal securities laws that may have impacted shareholders. This development arrives amid increasing anticipation for the company's upcoming title, Grand Theft Auto 6, which is scheduled for release in May 2026. The marketing momentum surrounding the game could positively influence stock performance in the short term. Recently, shares of TTWO experienced a notable increase of nearly 3% following the release of a trailer for Grand Theft Auto 6 on May 6, indicating strong investor interest. Furthermore, another game announced, Mafia: The Old Country, is set to launch in August 2025, further enhancing investor sentiment and providing a potential catalyst for continued gains. However, the ongoing legal investigations may introduce volatility and uncertainty among investors, which could pressure the stock in the long term if any substantial revelations come to light. In summary, while TTWO finds itself at a crucial juncture with promising game releases that could elevate its stock price, The current investigations also present risks that investors need to monitor closely. This duality is likely to influence TTWO's market outlook in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned a buy grade to TTWO, coupled with a hold action. On Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, UBS also gave TTWO a buy grade, this time with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, Oppenheimer rated TTWO as outperform, maintaining a hold action. On Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, BMO Capital provided TTWO with an outperform rating, along with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, HSBC rated TTWO as underperform, while also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Take-Two Interactive Software stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Take-Two Interactive Software. The Take-Two Interactive Software stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $228.13. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $215.06. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 4.13%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 6 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a buy 4 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 136 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Take-Two Interactive Software. Take-Two Interactive Software finds support from accumulated volume at $219.50. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.59 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.60%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.25%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Take-Two Interactive Software, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established firms can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings at $1.08 per share. It's important to monitor these figures. as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Take-Two Interactive Software. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Take-Two Interactive Software is at $226.34. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Take-Two Interactive Software encounters its first support level at $219.50. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Take-Two Interactive Software from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 6th of March 2025, Sharesky Michael conducted an insider sale of 173 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of March 2025, Goldstein Laney conducted an insider sale of 829 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of March 2025, Emerson Daniel P. conducted an insider sale of 577 shares of common stock. On the 25th of February 2025, Sladoff Carl conducted an insider sale of 6,487 shares of common stock. On the 25th of February 2025, Sladoff Carl conducted another insider sale of 23,327 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 10.698. Overall, insiders purchased 1,244,850 shares and sold 951,203 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $214.04, reflecting a decrease of 5.06%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a moderate level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal resulting from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Take-Two Interactive Software stock a good buy? Take-Two Interactive Software presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our assessment indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we anticipate that Take-Two Interactive Software will open higher by approximately 490 cents, beginning trading at $225.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.